still on. Just so you know. Hi guys, we just got back from home.
We just got back from home.
And yeah.
Oh.
Clearly wants to watch.
I know. I'll find it. Josiah drawing. Joe, show them what you drew. Dell's kale. That's beautiful. Is he out? Oh no, he's still sleeping. That's beautiful, Joe.
Thank you.
The rest of us, we over here
Put a little bit.
fighting for our bellies. Jonathan's making whatever he's making for himself. Joab think he's grown. Always want to cook for himself. I want to wait.
I'm saving it. The boy's a liar. The boy's a
You good? You good?
Morning.
You good back there?
So as you can tell by the title of this video, we are going to work with Jonathan.
Your daddy.
Okay.
I'm daddy too.
Okay, we're going to work with Dad. I'll call you Dad. Can I call you Dad? Alright, Daddy. Okay. We're all going to work. All of us. Dell's in there in his car seat. Over there. Yeah, he travels a lot, you know, so we don't really get to see him as much. So we're all like, we're following him to work today. We're going to follow his every footstep. So we're going to take y'all up. No, I'm just kidding. We're going because I'm going to check out his office area and see how we can make it more of, like personalize it for him so he can feel comfortable in his space. If you watched my last vlog by now, by the time you're watching this video, that last vlog would already be up. I explained his new position. So we're basically about to check out his new workspace area and see what we can do with it. But yeah, take you guys on. Big Daddy over here.
Put a smile on my
Can I do a birthday card or something?
Right.
It won't hurt.
I got you a case of water.
Try and get the whole office roomy.
Yeah, because the office is not giving home vibes.
Pillows for what? Where's that pillow going?
Your chair.
Not on that chair. Ain't no chair.
You getting a chair?
Did you see that chair?
Well, what you got right now? What you got right now? You need at least one pillow on it.
There's nobody home. Come back later.
And this is just, you know, it's not really.
Oh, that's pretty good. She be cheating though.
No, I don't.
There you go.
What his
Changing the rules up.
looks like. What we got?
No. No. Chop.
I think that looks
Miriam.
pretty good over there. Kale. Del's a goner. So, and then he wanted this to be facing out instead of in. So, makes sense.
Yeah, because I believe in my God. I know what's going on. I'm just trying to get my people to get on the ship. Word.
Look who's here.
Jabby jab.
He wrote some nice notes on the board. Joe's writing his note now. I wrote
Love
a nice
you.
letter. Well, not letter.
R.
Note.
My bad.
And you put an E instead of.
I know, I was gonna say R, but I changed it.
E.
What are you writing? Let's see what Joe's writing. So I wrote, we are so proud of you and congratulations. Wait, no, and can't wait to see you grow. And then
Girl.
Joe becoming
Josiah.
what does that say?
Coach.
Okay.
Coach, where? Oh, I see.
Signed all three of you brothers.
Oh, wait, I'm not done.
Oh.
You for. Thank you for. Past. Dad.
Someone.
What?
My God, I have no space back there.
He's saying someone.
Aw.
Now,
Josiah. Annan.
Joab.
Joe.
No, I can watch that.
Yeah, this kid. Put it under here.
Oh my, I'm so sorry.
Here.
I'm so
Always want to sign his own name.
Why wouldn't you?
All right.
And
Annan,
just put
Annan.
Del right
No,
here.
leave it. Don't say.
Papadale.
No.
Because you left so much space.
Jordella. And
Put a thing around it.
oh, what's that? The E is like.
Yeah. We love you.
And now I get to draw.
All right.
Anymore.
Yo, I just got Deli these new, it's like sock shoes.
I
They're
know, but
so cute.
They're so good.
Excuse me, sir. They're really, really cute. So it's like socks, so the material socks, so it's not hard to put on him, but then the bottoms are like rubber, so he can walk outside with it. And you know, it's not heavy, so it's light on his feet. It also it's like
When you
it's
jump,
bendy,
it's
so
light.
you don't have the
Mom.
struggle of putting shoes on the baby, which is
Mom.
like the lady that did this is genius, literally genius. So I just wanted to share that because I'm like so happy. It just came in today, and
So-
I just put it on him.
So
And
guys, I really wanted to wear this.
Joab, you can't wait. Go ahead, let it out, boy. Let it out. You,
I wanted to wear these shoes, but Mom said it's only for babies. I can't take it off.
no, it's not for big kids. It's for babies because babies have a hard time putting shoes on. They usually don't want to put shoes on, but this makes it easy for moms or parents.
And when I
Shoes.
jump,
I want to show you guys him walking with it. So let me
Mom.
see if I can get him up.
this, it makes it light to shoot. So,
Oh, to play like basketball?
yeah, it's light.
Del,
to
can you get up and
high.
walk for them? If I can back up. All right, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. It's like socks. Excuse my garbage. I gotta take it out. But here, he's walking with it. Hey! Ah!